Right.
Hi guys, we're at Ely Station Level Crossing in
Hi
Cambridgeshire.
guys, we're at Ely Station Level Crossing in Cambridgeshire with Golden, Joe and Jamie.
Timer.
Timer.
There we go.
There we go.
The time is
Now.
17:48 on Saturday the 31st of October 2004. Hour 17:51, 1 Tango 100, Great Northern Service, Munich Cross to Kingston, and hour 17:47, 1 Romeo 60 from the train service Norwich to Manchester Piccadilly.
And our 1 Romeo 6, 1740.
Don't film this.
1750, I think.
So I don't want anyone to
Train
know.
service from Liverpool Line 6 to Manchester Piccadilly.
Yes.
Right.
No, Norwich to Manchester Piccadilly.
Right. The time now
Yes,
is
just change the slide.
17:48 on Saturday the 31st of October 2015. This is for. Okay, here we go. This is for our 17:51, 1 Tango 100, Great Northern Service from London King's Cross to Kings Lynn, and our 17:47, 1 Romeo 60 Eastman's train service from Norwich to Manchester Piccadilly. Sorry.
Yes.
I almost said Liverpool Lime
Thank you
Street
so
then.
much, mate.
I almost said Liverpool Lime Street then.
Well, it is pretty easy to say that because the whole line is Norwich Liverpool Line Street, but sometimes when a train's cancelled from somewhere. Where's Soham?
Soham?
Yeah.
Just outside of
Kent.
no, Soham's just outside of it's between Ely and Cambridge. It's where those two girls were killed, murdered by Ian Huntley.
Ian Hunt.
He was a caretaker at a school and he murdered them in his house.
Oh, so you meant that dreadful
Come
incident
on.
at
Here she comes. We've got 158A66.
No,
Yeah.
that wasn't
Yeah,
Soham.
15866. I reckon we'll be staying for
We might be staying at the
service from London King's Cross to Kingston to Kings.
This is it.
We've got,
Then we go back in the
Got
side.
158A66.
it's 10 to, so we've got 10
Yeah.
minutes.
Jamie.
158, 158.66. Manchester Piccadilly.
158A66 to Manchester.
Manchester Piccadilly.
And where is it now?
No one. We're staying.
Right, we're staying, unless we do malfunction, but I think we're staying for Great Northern.
Right, we're staying.
And
Oh, but they go. Is it malfunction?
No, thanks for watching the video.
Right, thanks guys, for the next video.